protect our planet. First of all, I thank God because He created me. And I thank God because I am special. Psalm 139:14. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Magandang umaga po, mga mahal kong guro at kamag-aral. Ako po si Amira Bagay, 4 na taong gulang, nakatira sa Dunman Edgardo Street, Quezon City. Ako po, Persito na. Nag-aaral sa Maranatha Christian Academy of Manila. Enjoy watching!
Amira, ayusin mo na yung hapagkainan. Count mo na kung ilan tayo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
We have a plate that the same in shape, but different in size. The big circle, the small circle. Ma, I ulam as pork and I have pork. Have inside, but different in meaning. Pork and fork. I am a girl. I have black and long hair. Gusto smell what's our ulam.
It's pork sinigang.
Bango. We also eat fruits and vegetables.
Ma.
Hindi maasim.
Ay, hindi.
I use my hands, water the plants. I use my feet, walking to school. Thank God for giving me such a great family, friends and teachers. I promise to love them with all my heart. Thank you for watching. Bye!